I'm going to install these into that and make this TRX roar. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So recently I made a video where I compared the exhaust from my 2023 Hellcat compared to my 2022 TRX. And I gotta say, the Hellcat in my opinion sounded much better. It was a little louder and overall sounded better. But I'm going to address that with this, which is going to go on the TRX. And as you can see, this is very hollow inside, whereas with the factory mufflers, they're perforated inside, and that kind of muffles out the sound. This is more of a straight pipe design. They're a very popular modification for TRX owners. Instead of replacing your entire exhaust system, which will cost thousands of dollars, you can literally just replace your muffler with these resonators for like a fraction of the cost. $100 Canadian for the pair on Facebook Marketplace, which is like 70 bucks US. I mean, that's like nothing. These resonators are from SLP. There is the part number, 31030160. So this is gonna go on the TRX today. It's gonna replicate the sound of an aftermarket exhaust. Now, if you buy an aftermarket exhaust, you're basically replacing your pipes with another set of pipes. Like, they're extremely expensive. Whereas this, I'm just going to replace the mufflers with this. And I think it's going to give me a really nice sound. It's going to basically sound like I put an exhaust system on a truck. Well, that's what I'm hoping for anyways. It looks really nice too, compared to the factory mufflers. So, I'm going to go to the exhaust shop today. I've got an appointment. They're going to install it. And I'm going to test the sound again, compare it to the Hellcats, and see if the TRX is louder this time. I'm pretty sure it will be. I'll put it on. If it's too loud, I'll just put the factory ones back on. But really nice quality product. My kids don't know that I'm putting this on today, so I'm going to see if they notice any difference in how the TRX sounds. So here is the actual part. SLP Bullet 3-inch resonator. As you can see, the price, it's about $95 US, and that's for just one. There's a part number, it's 31066. The inner and outer dimensions are 3 inches. There's the overall length, and so this should fit really nice and replace the mufflers on the TRX. So I'm really excited to get these installed. That's what it should sound like from the factory. That sounds awesome. Ooh, very nice. Oh my god. Oh, that sounds awesome. So when you're just cruising around, it sounds pretty much the same. It's just when you like really step into it. Oh my god. You know, before the supercharger basically drowns out the sound from the exhaust, but now I can hear both. I can hear the supercharger whine and I can hear that exhaust. Oh my god, that sounds so freaking good. I freaking love it. I absolutely love it. Love it. Those SLP Resonators really woke up this truck. Like, this truck sounded really good before, but now it just takes it up to another level. So when you're just cruising along, you don't even hear it. It just sounds basically stock. It's just when you like really floor it, that's when you can really hear the exhaust, and it sounds way much better. Guys, this thing is freaking loud. Oh my god. So I thought I'd drop by Auto Value, pick up air filters, but they don't carry it for this truck. I don't think I've stopped smiling since I picked up this truck from the exhaust shop. It sounds so much better than what I was expecting. And now I'll take it on the highway just to see what it sounds like. Hopefully there's no drone. Like, there's a bit of a rumble back there, which I didn't hear before because the supercharger basically drowned out any noise. But you can kind of hear a bit of a rumble now. So I think it's just perfect. It's not too loud and you can just hear it. So to me it's perfect. There's a shot of the new Resonators. Oh, that looks so freaking good. These are the stock mufflers from the TRX. I'm not sure if I would really call these mufflers. They're more like resonators. This is what I was saying before. The inside is very perforated, and that's what kind of muffles out the sound. And with the new SLP Resonators, it's more of a straight pipe design. Hence, sounds much better.